So good afternoon, all of you. Let we start. In the morning lecture, we have see the concept behind this electric circuit. Okay, electrical application of differential equation in electrical field. How we solve a given circuit by using Kirchhoff's law. We see the two circuit. One is the LR circuit, and second is RC circuit. LR circuit and the second circuit is RC circuit. So in that we have solved the example on the first equation is L di by dt. We got the first equation with my pen. Okay. The first equation is what? L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E. And what about the second equation? Second equation is R dq by dt plus q by c is equal to V. This is the second equation. Okay. So we have solved one example on this first equation. Now we solve the more example and second example for your hard work. Solve the practical example, second example. Hello. Solve the lega.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we see the next example, third one. Third one. When a switch is closed, when a switch is closed, the current built up in the current built up in an electric circuit is given by L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E if L is equal to 640, R equal to 250, E equal to 500, and I equal to 0 when T equal to 0. Then show that
Sir, L is equal to how many? 640 or 540?
640. Prasad, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Where in first lecture and last means yesterday? So function is going on, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then show that the current will approach two ampere when t tends to infinity. Okay. Just a solution is same. फक्त शेवटचं बदलते पहा. We are given already equation. What is the equation? L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E. What is the equation we are given? L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E. Okay. So just we got that equation. From this equation, we write down that di by dt plus RYL times E is equal to E by L. Okay, all of you know that how to calculate that E, something C plus C e raised to minus RT by L plus something E by something like this. Huh? That's the equation. Na? The same equation we are again and again. Okay, so just P is equal to, which is linear in I. So P is equal to R by L. Q is equal to E by L. So IF is equal to E raised to RT by L. Solution is I into E raised to RT by L. Integration Q E by L. E raised to RT by L with respect to dt plus C. Just for simplification, we got the equation I times E raised to RT by L is equal to LL get cancelled. We are remaining is E by R E raised to RT by L plus C. Now just multiply throughout the equation by that E raised to something. So we got that E by R plus C times E raised to minus RT by L. So this is in general everywhere. This is a common. Everywhere this is a common current. Everywhere this is a common equation. If provided this equation L di by dt plus Ri equal to E. If I change the equation, electromotive force will change, then equation, this last equation will be changed. Okay, that is some changes in that current. Now next, initially there is no current in circuit, means I equal to 0 when T equal to 0. From that we can find the value of C. So what is I equal to 0? 0. E by R plus C. This implies C equal to minus E by R. So just we have put the value, we got that I equal to E by R minus E by R into E raised to minus RT by L. Now next, what is the given? L equal to 640. We just put R equal to 250 and E equal to 500. We put everywhere. We got I equal to E 500 divided by 250. 500 divided by 250 into E raised to minus R 250 T divided by L. L kute yala? Yes, 640. Okay. So I times 500 divided by 250 किती? 2 minus 2 times E raised to minus 25 by 64. भाग कशाने जातोय का? नको जास्त मॉडिफाय करायला नको. Divided by 64. Okay, this is your final I for the particular values. Okay, this is one question is over. Then show that the current will approaches 2 ampere when t equal to infinity. Show that the current will approaches. तुमचा current हा 2 ampere होतो कधी जेव्हा t infinity असतो. So just we have put the value. Put t equal to infinity. We got I equal to 2 minus 2 times e raised to minus infinity. So what is e raised to minus infinity?
0.
0. Okay. Just we write down here. E raised to minus infinity is 0 and e raised to plus infinity is
Infinity.
Okay. So we got that value is 2. So I equal to 2 ampere. So here we write down. So I is 2 ampere when t equal to infinity. Equal to not tends to infinity. Tends to infinity. Okay. किती ओळी बदलल्या रे फक्त? हॅलो, शेवटच्या 2 ओळी बदलल्या, बाकी सर्व सोल्युशन सेम आहे. पहिल्या एक्झाम्पलला सेम, दुसऱ्या एक्झाम्पलला सेम, तिसऱ्या एक्झाम्पलला सेम. पण ई काय आहे दॅट इज द इम्पॉर्टंट. प्रत्येक वेळेस सेम असेल असं नाहीये. ओके. सो this is your question of the first L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E. Now we see the example on that second RC circuit. Okay.
सर E by L आहे ना तिथं मी R लिहिलं
कुठे कुठे कुठे
जो ब्रॅकेट केलं ना तिथं पण आणि त्याच्या खालच्या स्टेटमेंट
बरोबर आहे की इथे म्हणताय ना इथे म्हणताय ना
येस सर L पाहिजे ना
हो मॅडम आपण इंटिग्रेशन घेणार इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं काय येणार व्हॉट इज इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ दिस वन व्हॉट इज इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ दिस वन E by L into E raised to RT by L
हा येस सर
divided by R by L plus E बरोबर आहे का हा L वरती याला
हा येस सर बरोबर
ओके आय थिंक मला वाटलं तुम्ही सकाळच्या लेक्चरला असं दे
सर तिथे 64 येणार ना तुम्ही नुसतं 60 लिहिलंय
64च आहे ते 3 आहे ते 64च आहे झालंय. झालंय का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we see the next example. The fourth one. A condenser a condenser of a capacity C capacity C is charged through a resistance R by a steady voltage V it is found that the charge Q on the plate is given by R dq by dt plus q by c is equal to V. Then show that if q equal to 0, if q equal to 0, when t equal to 0, if q equal to 0, then show that then show that q equal to CV times 1 minus e raised to minus t by RC if q equal to 0 when t equal to 0. Okay, now that's right. Okay. So what is circuit containing? Yes, circuit containing R and C. So voltage drop across R, yes. Voltage drop across R is Ri. Voltage drop across C is Q by C. Just we write down that I equal to dq by dt. We got the equation directly. Equation दिलेला आहे. जास्त विचार करायची गरज नाहीये. So just write down that equation. R dq by dt plus q by c is equal to V. Okay. Now just we rewrite this equation like this. dq by dt plus q by RC is equal to V by C. So which is Linear in
Q.
Q.
P is equal to 1 upon RC, and we can take small q. Small q is equal to V by C because already Q is containing there. So what is the solution? Integrating factor IF is e raised to integration P time dt because the independent variable is T. So
Sir.
yes.
V by R येणार ना सर तिथं?
असं आहे काय? हो V by R. Okay. So next, E is equal to e raised to 1 upon RC dt. So what is the integration e raised to t by RC? So IF we got, integrating factor we got e raised to t by RC. पहा IF बदलला. मागच्या IF का होता? मागच्याला IF का होता? IF का होता?
E raised to RT by
RT by L. या ठिकाणी IF बदलला. IF काय झाला? T by RC. Totally depend upon your equation. Totally depend upon the equation. Then solution is, so we have got the solution. What is solution?
Q into
IF integration small q into IF dt plus C. आता या C ला काय करा? C1 म्हणा, कारण इथे पण C आणि इथे पण C आहे. सगळे नोटेशन सेम राहतात. So Q, this is linear in Q. IF, what is the IF? IF we got e raised to t by RC is equal to integration Q का है? V by R into e raised to t by RC dt plus C1. So Q into e raised to t by RC, V by R is constant, we can take outside, into e raised to t by RC divided by derivative of t by RC. That is the 1 upon RC we got. So we got that Q equal to e raised to t by RC into VC e raised to t by RC plus C1. So initially Q equal to 0 when t equal to 0. So just we put each and every value. Q equal to 0, 0. What is the VC? E raised to 0 plus C1. So this implies C1 you got. C1 काय भेटला? C1 काय भेटला? Minus CV. C1 we got minus CV. We just put on that equation, we got, yes, we got Q e raised to t by RC is equal to CV e raised to t by RC e raised to t by RC minus what is the value of C1 is CV. So just multiply by e raised to t by RC, we got Q equal to CV minus CV e raised to minus t by RC. What is common? What is the common of CV? We got the CV into 1 minus e raised to minus t by RC. That we prove. That we prove करायला लावले ना आपल्याला. That we prove. We got the answer. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
चलेगा?
यस सर.
1 minute, sir.
ओके. चलेगा?
हो सर.
Okay. What the last example? Six one. In a circuit, of resistance R, self-inductance L, the current I, is given by L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E cos Pt, when E and P, sorry, where E and P are constant, then find the current I at time t. Find current I at time t. And find current I at time t. Okay, so what is the equation is given? L di by dt
L di by dt plus Ri is equal to E.
E cos Pt. So we got the di by dt plus R by L E by L cos Pt, which is linear in I. P is equal to R by L and Q equal to E by L cos.
Cos Pt.
Okay. Then next, IF you got e raised to integration R by L dt. So we got that IF is equal to e raised to RT by L. Okay. Up to this is no change. Up to this is no change. Up to this is no change. Okay. Now just find the solution. Find the solution. Okay. So we just find a solution. Just see the solution. So what is solution? What is solution? Yes. Yes, what is solution? This equation contained in terms of what? Solution is I into IF e raised to RT by L is equal to integration Q. Q काय आपला? What is the value of Q?
E by L.
E by L
Cos pt.
cos PT into IF e raised to RT by L
RT.
PT plus C. So just rewrite this equation I times e raised to RT by L. So what is the constant throughout the equation? E by L is constant. Cos is T because the T is the variable, na? So e raised to RT by L cos PT dt plus C. Yes, how you solve this integration now? How you solve this integration now?
Product rule.
Product rule.
कन्याकुमारी पर्यंत गेलं तरी सुटणार नाही. पुढं मित्रांनो, एक इन्फायनाइट फंक्शन आणि दुसरं पण इन्फायनाइट फंक्शन आहे. एक्सपोनेन्शियलचं इंटिग्रेशन आपण इन्फायनाइटली वेळ काढू शकतो आणि कॉसचं इंटिग्रेशन पण इन्फायनाइटली वेळ काढू शकतो. बरोबर आहे का? किंवा त्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पण इन्फायनाइट निघू शकतो. बरोबर आहे का पवन?
हा येस सर.
मग तुम्ही कन्याकुमारीमध्ये जावा तोपर्यंत तुम्हाला सुटणारच नाही एक्झाम्पल आहे तसंच. पुढे चला पाहूया कोण सांगते. येस.
सर रिझल्ट दिले होते तुम्ही.
Very good, Disha. So what is the result? Yes, what is the result?
E raised cos pt dt equal to
So
raised
that
to
result
80.
is e raised to 80 into cos bt result dt. The result is e raised to 80 upon a square plus b square into a cos ना
हाँ.
a cos bt
दुसरे cos BT plus sin
b
T sin
Sin
BT.
b
Sin.
sin bt. So what is the a? What is the a here? R by L. And what is B here? B is P. So just we got the equation e raised I times e raised to RT by L is equal to E by L. Just we can take integration of this one. Or just write down. There is no need to write down bracket. E raised to RT by L divided by R square L square P square. A का है R by L cos PT plus B का है P sin PT plus C. Just rewrite this equation I times e raised to R T by L. पहा इथं भेटतं L square. Just rearrange this term ना L square आणि ह्याला जर LL get cancel तर काय राहिला EL into e raised to RT by L divided by R square plus L square P square into R by L. तो ह्याला पण आपण हे करू cos PT plus LP sin PT whole divided by L plus C. हा L परत कॅन्सल होऊन इथं काय राहिला टोटली I टाइम्स हा I e raised to RT by L पण मल्टिप्लाय होईल इथं राहील E फक्त हा e raised to RT by L पण कॅन्सल होईल इथं राहिला R square plus L square P square into bracket R cos PT plus LP sin PT plus C times e raised to minus RT by L. That's the answer. कारण तुम्हाला असं विचारलं नाही की बाबा I at विचारलं काय क्वेश्चन विचारला काय फाइंड द करंट I at टाइम t. त्यामुळे इनिशियल वगैरे सी पुट करायची गरज नाहीये काही पुट करायची गरज नाही. वी गॉट द आन्सर. क्लिअर एव्हरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Just use the there are two result. Do not use that u into rule integration by part. झालं का? अरे झालं का? Okay, so we
Yes.
stop here. Tomorrow we see the MCQ behind this. So this is the end of our unit. Huh?
Okay, sir.
हा बोला बोला आदित्य.
सर 1 मिनिट होल्ड कर सर लिहायचं राहिला.
नाही नाही मी एंड नाही करणार मीटिंग, फक्त लेक्चर झालं म्हणून सांगितलं तुम्हाला.